Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you have a look at some of my recipes on this channel. In today's video I will be sharing this amazing easy rice recipe with some beef with you. This is like the lazy easiest rice recipe ever. So here I am just seasoning my beef. I have cleaned that thoroughly and I'm using dry seasoning. You can use whatever you want. Then I'm going to go ahead and use some mustard paste on there to give me a really nice tender meat and as well as an amazing texture. I'm also adding some oil. I'm going to mix that together and make sure it's well coated. Then I'll heat up some oil and I am just sealing all moisture in the beef. This will make it very tender and well cooked as well as amazing flavor. So that is done. I've done that just for a few minutes and I am just removing it from the oil, and to the oil I'm going to add all my blended mixture here of onion, garlic, ginger and some pepper. I'm just mixing that together. I'm going to cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes. After about 10 minutes, I'm just adding some Maggi cube, my aroma, which is basically all-purpose seasoning, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix that together. Then I'm going to rinse my bowl of all the spices and the goodies and then pour it inside the pot. I'm going to give that a quick stir and I'm going to add the meat back in here and let it simmer on a medium-low heat for about 30 minutes. After that, I'm just adding some coconut paste to give me a coconut tea taste rice. I am also adding 1 cup of rice, really washed, and I am just quickly stirring that together to make sure it's well combined. I will add a little bit of water and then I'm going to cook on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes covered. I'm just going to season that with a little bit of salt as all my spices already contain salt. After the water has reduced, I'm just covering that with parchment paper. I'm going to cook that on a low setting for about 20-25 minutes or until it's soft and nice and fluffy. You can always go in the middle of cooking to check on your rice, make sure it's cooking beautifully, that it has enough moisture in there, and also make sure it's not burning. You can fluff it out. All right. Okay guys, this is how the rice is looking. It's spicy, the meat is very soft, and it tastes so much like coconut, which is what I'm looking for, and it was so easy to make. No time wasting at all. It's just putting everything on the heat, boom boom boom, and you're done guys. So let's start serving now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, thumbs up for me. Please do share and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I am looking forward to welcoming you in my next video. So bye bye for now and see you later.